Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So let us continue our preparation from 840 first bit. So in this video we are going to study mainly about the piston and its affiliated elements like piston rings, piston skirt, etc. and their importance, their functioning and how they work generally. Okay, so let us see. First question, the piston in which a stainless steel cap is bonded to an aluminum piston is, what is this piston is called? Is it heat shielded piston, or is it two-piece piston, or is it autothermic piston, or is it special alloy piston? So the answer is heat shielded piston. The answer is heat shielded piston. Okay. So what happens in this? In this, a stainless steel cap is bonded to the aluminum piston. This is called heat shielded piston. Next question. A piston boss may be damaged due to. So what is the reason for the damage of the piston boss? Is it pre-ignition or detonation, or is it excessive ring groove clearance, or is it too much end play in the crankshaft, or is it leakage of water in the cylinder? So here the answer is here the answer is too much end play in the crankshaft. Too much end play in the crankshaft. This is going to be the reason for the piston boss to get damaged. Okay. So next question. The piston land, again this is related to the piston land. So piston land gets damaged mainly due to, earlier it was piston boss, now it is piston land, right? So what is the reason, what is the cause for the piston land getting damaged? So mainly because of what reason? This is going to be the detonation or pre-ignition. So you know what is detonation and what is pre-ignition. So right, what is detonation? It is a phenomenal rise in the pressure of the IC engine, be it SI engine or CI engine. So the factors which aggravate the problem of detonation in SI engines will deteriorate or lessen the phenomenon of your detonation in CI engines, etc., and vice versa also, right? So we have talked about that in our earlier videos. Now here as I just we were discussing that, so the piston land gets damaged mainly because of the detonation or pre-ignition. Let us mark that. Next question. So now here piston crown. So piston ring has got different functions in relation to piston crown and other related piston elements. Okay. So now in this particular question it is asked in relation to piston crown and cylinder walls. Now this is the relation. Okay, the function of the piston ring in relation to piston crown and cylinder walls. Please read it carefully. In relation to piston crown and cylinder walls, the function of a piston ring is to, what is the function of a piston ring? It is to provide easy passage for heat flow between them. It is provide an easy passage for heat flow between them, piston crown and cylinder walls. Okay. Next question. Like if they are not correct, form a seal between them, then okay. So basically it is going to the piston rings are going to form a seal between the cylinder wall and piston. So this is not the answer. Okay, others are also not correct. So the answer is provide an easy passage for heat flow between them. Let us mark it. Next question. Now here see the question, right? It is related to the combustion chamber. It is related to the combustion chamber and crankcase. So now same here also the function of the piston ring. So in relation to the combustion chamber and the crankcase, the function of piston ring is to, in this question, the function of piston ring in relation to the combustion chamber and also crankcase. Yes. So answer is to form a seal between them. To form a seal between them. Okay. Now this is a good question, boys. So please concentrate and make it mark it as important bit. So here a piston ring is normally made out of, so these are the different process, manufacturing process. Is it through welding, or is it through casting, or is it through machining, or is it through forming? So you might get a question, you might get a doubt between welding and casting. So definitely you may be having idea that it is neither of the machining or forming. But what is the correct method of manufacturing of piston ring? It is actually the piston ring is normally made out of casting. Casting is the process which is used for the making of the piston rings. Next question. The gap cuts at the end of a piston ring makes it slipping over. Okay, so there are some gap cuts are made at the end of the piston ring. So they make it slip over what? Which piston related element? Is it piston pin ring, or is it piston skirt, or is it piston land, or is it piston crown? So you can easily now see here that, so just on only piston only we could frame so many questions, right? Piston and also its related elements like piston pin ring, piston skirt, piston land, piston crown. How many elements are connected with your piston? So we are going very deeply into the subject so that you are very comfortable in answering all the questions. So I have made the standard of the questions in my videos in such a way that they are very above, far above the level of the standard of questions to be asked in your AME examinations. Boys, if you like my channel, boys, if you think that it is helping you in a big way or whatever the smallest way, okay, and you think that it is helping you to revise your subject or start from fundamentals, so please like my comment, comment and also share among your, and also subscribe my channel among your groups and contacts, share among your groups and contacts. Okay, guys. So here the gap cuts at the end of a piston ring makes it slipping over. They are going to slip over the piston crown. So answer is piston crown. So the gap cuts made at the end of the piston ring, though they make it slip over the piston crown. Next question. The sealing action of the top piston ring is achieved due to, this is a good question, boys, once again. So please remember, the sealing action of the top piston ring is achieved due to, so what is the reason for the sealing action of the top piston ring? Is it due to the high pressure in combustion chamber, or is it to the movement of piston, or is it due to the crankcase pressure, or is it due to the rotation of the crank? So unless, boys, please remember, so please read the subjects, textbooks. I have made a video for your textbooks, standard textbooks, good textbooks for your AME examination, and also I have made a video, basic video for the qualification and your eligibility criteria for your AME examination. Please watch my channel. I have made number of videos for your TSPSC, APPSC, AEE, AMV, and also some GATE videos are also there. But number of videos are exceeding 80. So we have covered almost 848 questions. So we will be reaching shortly 1000 questions. Okay, guys. Let us continue. So the sealing action of the top of piston ring is achieved due to the high pressure in the combustion chamber. High pressure in the combustion chamber is the main reason, or is the reason for the sealing action of the top piston ring. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, next question. The types of piston ring end gaps. This is also a good question. So coming to 849 and 850 bits are also very good questions. The types of piston ring end gaps that are effective in preventing leakage. So there are various types of piston ring end gaps like butt type, taper type, and seal cut type, etc. So of these three types, which are effective in preventing the leakage? Is it the combination of butt and taper types, or is it the combination of butt and seal cut type, or is it the combination of seal cut and taper types, or is it the combination of all the butt, seal cut and taper types? Actually, so all the three are going to be effective in preventing the leakage. So butt, seal cut and also taper types are effective in preventing the leakage. So your answer is D. Last bit for the boys today, for today video. So the cheapest type of piston ring end gap is it butt type, or is it seal cut type, or is it taper type, is it none, or is it something not belonging to these three? So here the answer is butt type. So butt type of piston ring end gap is the cheapest type. So your answer is A. Okay, guys. So here we stop. In the next video we are going to cover some more important question bits, very standard question for your AMA examinations, and we are going to come up with very good number of questions or very quality questions in our next video. Okay, till the time, so signing off. So wish you all the best once again. Good luck.